Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Clash Royale game not loading on a device. So if you are facing the issue of Clash Royale game not loading on a device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, and your game is still not loading, then there may be issue with the Wi-Fi or data. So simply turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode, it helps you to fix the network issue and also helps you to reset the network issue which is occurring on a device. So after that, you just need to open the game and check if it is working. So if it is working, that's good. If that is not working, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store on a device, and from here search the app Clash Royale. So after searching the app Clash Royale, check if there is any update available for the app. So if there is any update available, you just need to click on the option of update. So by updating the app, it will help you to load the game quickly and easy. And if it is still not helping, then you just need to uninstall the app from a device. So you just need to delete the Clash Royale app and you just need to reinstall it from Play Store or App Store on a device. So by following all the steps, you will be able to fix the issue of game not loading on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.